Hi, I am Julie and I'm with Alliance Team Realty and I'm here in one of my listings in Brooklyn Park. The reason I wanted to make this quick video is to talk about some really great updating that you can do to have a huge impact when you sell your house and getting the most ROI, return on investment, that you can. If you look behind me, you'll see we've got some stainless steel appliances. We've got a fridge, we've got a range, and we have a dishwasher. And then up there, we have, there we go, a light fixture. What we decided to do in this house is we did carpet, we did light fixtures, and we did appliances. Now, maybe your house doesn't need all three, but maybe it needs a combination of one of those three. This particular house, it was built in 1990, and it had original appliances, all white appliances from 1990. So they really were at end of life. They certainly were functional, but today's buyer, they just love stainless steel appliances. So my seller decided to change out those appliances. We actually got a really, really good deal. And so it was not a huge financial investment. I think we got all of the appliances, and actually we got the exhaust hood as well for right around $2,300. We ended up getting 2 offers on this house 4 days after it went on the market. And my seller accepted an offer that was quite a bit over list. So they made their money back in spades. So it was a great, great financial boon for them to make these changes. So if you've been thinking about selling and you're not sure if you should make those changes or not, I'd love the opportunity to talk to you and really just give you some good hard facts about what buyers want today. If you have questions, please reach out to me. I'd love the opportunity to speak with you. Again, I'm Julie. I'm with Alliance Team Realty, and thank you so much for watching.